Who's holier, the pastor or the plumber? Most people would say the pastor, right? Let's think about that. God cares more about your heart posture than he does about your job title. A plumber that is in constant submission to him daily is way more holier than a pastor that just goes through the motions. Often we think that ministry is all about the pulpits and missions, but God sees your workspace as well. Every workspace that is done in submission to him and reflects him is holy. Whether you're a teacher, a plumber, whether you're a pastor, whether you're a CEO, a barista, a young person in high school, Jesus has a plan for you. Don't believe the lie that you're not spiritual enough when you're not preaching. Holiness is when you reflect him, not your job title.